Salve, my Catholic is awesome friend. Until 2022, the Catholic population in the world has reached 1,390,000,000 people. Almost half of the world's Catholic population lives in the Americas, North, Central, Caribbean, and Latin America. By 2022, the Catholic population in the Americas will reach more than 666 million people, accounting for 64% of the population and the majority. From 2021 until 2022, there are nearly 6 million new Catholics in the Americas, either through baptism or reception or OCIA. Of the 57 countries in the Americas, these are the 10 countries with the fastest growing Catholics in the Americas, according to the latest data from GCatholic 2020 until 2021. Which countries are they? 10. Ecuador. Ecuador is the country with the 10th fastest growth of Catholics in the Americas. In this country, the Catholic population rose from 15.2 million in 2020 to more than 15.4 million, a growth of 1.33%. In fact, Ecuador's Catholic growth is higher than the growth of Catholics in the Americas, which only reached 1.01%. 9. Colombia. Colombia is the 9th fastest growing Catholic country in the Americas. In the country, the Catholic population increased from only 47.1 million people in 2020 to almost 47.8 million people in just 1 year, or an increase of 634,000 new believers. So the percentage growth of Catholics in the country of Colombia reached up to 1.34% in a year, slightly higher than Ecuador. 8. Panama. This country, located in Central America, is the 8th fastest growing Catholic country. In this country, the Catholic population from only 3.7 million people rose to more than 3.8 million people, or increased by 51,000 new believers. So it is said that the growth of believers reached 1.35% in Panama. 7. Paraguay. Paraguay is the 7th fastest growing Catholic country in the Americas. In this country, the Catholic population increased by 95,000 people in just 1 year, so that the parishioners from 6,861,000 people rose to 6,956,000 people, or grew by 1.38% in just a year. 6. Haiti. Haiti is the 6th fastest growing country in the Americas. In this country, the Catholic population went from more than 8.3 million to 8.5 million, or an increase of 122,000 new parishioners, with a growth of 1.45% in just 1 year. 5. Nicaragua. Nicaragua comes in at 5th place. In this country in 2020, there were 5,876,000 Catholics. Then there were 86,000 new Catholics, bringing the number of Catholics to almost 6 million, a growth of 1.46%. 4. Honduras. Still in Central America, Honduras is the country with the fourth fastest growth of Catholics in the Americas. In this country, Catholicism grew by 1.59% in just 1 year. To date, there are over 7.7 million Catholics in Honduras. 3. Bolivia. Bolivia is the country with the 3rd fastest growing Catholicism. Catholicism grew by 1.80% in the country. The Catholic population went from 10 million to more than 10.2 million, or an increase of 181,000 new believers. to Belize. Who would have thought that the country of Belize or Belize would be the American country with the second fastest growing Catholicism? Yes, in this country, Catholics grow by 2.47% in just 1 year. The Catholic population rose from 162,000 to 166,000, or increased by 4,000 new believers in just 1 year. Belize itself has a percentage of Catholics reaching almost 40% of the population and is the majority. 1. Guatemala. Guatemala is the country with the fastest growing Catholicism in the Americas. In this country, there are 664,000 new Catholics in just 1 year, or a growth of 4.60%, where the Catholic population from 14.4 million people rose to 15.1 million people. The high birth rate and the large number of people called to convert to Catholicism have made Guatemala the fastest growing Catholic country in the Americas. In this country, Catholics make up 88% of the population and are the majority. My Catholic is awesome friend, those are the 10 countries with the fastest growing Catholics in the Americas. What about the other 4 big countries such as Brazil, Mexico, United States, and Argentina? For Brazil, the growth of Catholics only reached 0.71%, Mexico 1.10%, the United States grew by 0.78%, and Argentina 0.51%, so it is not included in the 10 countries with the most rapidly growing Catholics in America. May American Catholics continue to be blessed and grow in quantity as well as quality, namely faith, hope, and love. My Catholicism is awesome and cool. Salve and Shalom.
Yeah.